Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, Hanina is reading a mystery novel. Out of total of 306 pages, she manages to read 6/34 of the book every day. After 3 days, Hanina has pages to finish, means how many pages she has to finish. Firstly, total number of pages in novel are 306 pages. Then, number of pages read by Hanina, every day is 306 into, as she is reading 6/34 of the book every day, it means 306 into 6/34. So it will give 18 into 3, it means 54 pages she reads every day. Now, number of pages read after 3 days can be calculated by number of days means 3 into number of pages read by every day, it means 54. So 3 into 54 gives 162. Now, number of pages left for her to finish can be calculated by total number of pages means 306 minus number of pages she finished in 3 days, it means 162. Hence 144 pages left for her to finish.